Hey everybody, you like what you see? This is my new Plymouth Duster. And guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna travel back in time and go get it. So stick around. It was set up for freaking inside the booth. So the lighting's way different. We're getting there now, boys. Getting close. It was about an hour drive. Yeah, buddy, we're getting out in the boonies now. Man, I would have just got that on video, but I think I probably would have got arrested for that. 2 cows were back there humping, but you know, this guy can't stop laughing. But yeah, we're out in the boonies, boy. Look at this guy.
He just waved us his hammer.
Yipper, out in the...
That barn looks like it's gonna follow him.
There's so much cow poop out here. I think there's more cow poop than there is dirt. Yeah, we're getting there. Only like 24 minutes left. Look, it kind of smells up here, everybody. Woo-wee. Welcome to Prattsburg. Dang, man, this almost really upgraded. Got fountain and everything. Check out that barn. Shoo. Beautiful, man.
Right onto County Route 69. Then the destination is on your right.
There it is. There's the Plymouth Duster sitting next to that, I think, Le Mans. Just a GoPro. We'll be on YouTube.
Oh, I have my, what are those things called?
You want me to get it, Dad?
Well, I have that. Careful, careful.
There she is. The free Duster, everybody. We got to get her all strapped down, ready to rock and roll and get out of here, because we've been fighting getting this thing on for like an hour and a half now. Want to just thank Oren and his buddy. I can't remember your name, dude. I know you're my subscriber. That's terrible. But yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy strapped down. See you in a minute. All right, we got her. Thanks to Mr. Westerford and his buddy there. It's all strapped down. She's ready to rock and roll. She's mint, bud. What do we call this car, Warren? She's mint.
It's a little mint.
It's mint.
It could use
It's mint.
It could use some TLC, but
Y'all wait. This car's gonna be sweet. Stick around, everybody, and get this thing home, hopefully. This right here is what was growing through the middle of the bumper, why the cable broke in the first place. Hopefully this guy don't go anywhere. Well, guess we'll find out. You might be okay. Gotta watch that ditch.
If you use charcoal, I'ma kick your ass. Made this money from propane, bitch.
Video of this thing though.
All right, everybody, we got the old Gold Duster home. Thanks to my buddy Oren and Brian. Yes, now I remember. He's one of my subscribers. I thank you guys so much for helping me out. So yeah, this thing's pretty mint. The interior's a piece of shit, and it's a rotted out piece of shit, but you know what? It was free. Got the old snake skin coming off. Ain't much left of that skin. But I think I'm gonna start a series, everybody. I'm gonna start a whole restoration on this car. Or maybe we're gonna go custom. I don't know yet. But yeah, it pretty much needs everything, everybody. I know I'm stressed out. These guys are stressed out, everybody.
Channel stop.
Yeah, it's a video, Warren. Do a little dance.
Video of you in it sitting down.
Oh, I can. You still could.
I got so many videos going around it.
Did it? All right, ready? We're gonna pull on the trailer, everybody. Yep. Oh no! Hey, I found you. And in here, everybody, we have the Slant 6, which is supposed to be a super dependable Chrysler motor, and they put them in a lot of these A-body cars, but obviously this one doesn't fucking run. Hey, it's free, dude. I bet this bitch would start it up.
It's a little rough, but it's okay.
Go get my jumper box. Get some gas.
On it.
All right, everybody, if you like what you see, we're gonna go ahead and follow this. We're gonna start doing a whole rebuild on this Duster. This thing's pretty brand new, but hey, if you like what you see, go check out this video right here. Other than that, thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, this is Murder the Finish. Hit that like button, ring that notification bell. See you later.